Hi and welcome to this VIP class, and in this lesson we're going to be talking about meditation. First off, what is meditation? Really, what is meditation? You see, my mentor said this: what you define, you can modify. So definitions are very important because life rewards you by your definitions, not by your effort. So if you think meditation is this Eastern practice from another religion, and so because you're of a different kind of religion, you're not supposed to do it because it's heresy or it's you going outside, you're committing sin or whatever, then that definition is guiding your decision regarding meditation, and so you won't do it. Even if you know that it's good for you, even if you know all the benefits and how it's helping successful people. I mean, you have Steve Jobs when he was alive, he meditated, Oprah meditated, Beyonce meditates, Alicia Keys meditates, Tony Elumelu meditating, The Catalyst meditates. You have super successful people meditating. But if you believe that meditation is this thing that is forbidden by your religion, then you won't take advantage of it. Hence why life rewards you by your definitions and not by your effort. So really, what is meditation? From my experience, okay, because I'm only going to teach you from what I use and what I understand, right? Meditation is me putting myself in a state where I am calming my thoughts and staying in a space of relaxation where it's not like the thoughts are not happening. So first off, let's look at this. Meditation is a process. It's a process. Meditation is a process. It is not a destination. It goes on and on and on. The more and more you meditate, the better it gets, the better it gets, the better it gets. The more and more you're able to access deeper parts of your brain, deeper parts of your memory, deeper parts of your spirit. You come alive. So here's what happens on a normal day. You wake up in the morning and the first thing you do is grab your phone. Most people do that. And the moment you grab your phone, you are bombarded with data, information, other people's thoughts, other people's experiences, other people's opinion, and just information. And so you're already full. Your mind is already working. And because it's other people's thoughts, so this is you right here, right? Smiley face. But you find that when that happens, all of those distractions, you start to move further and further away from your goal. Here is your goal right here. But you find that you're moving in the opposite direction, right? So we have all of those distractions happening. And then, separate from the distractions, you have the goal that you have set. Say you set that you want to make $5,000 monthly, right? And you have your list of actions and the list of tasks for the day. But because you started your day distracted, you have taken all the energy from the rest that you have acquired during sleep, and you have given it away to your phone, to other people's thoughts, other people's experiences, other people's opinions. And so now you're dealing with leftovers. Why? Because when you woke up in the morning, you did not ground yourself, calm your thoughts, gather your thoughts, and see the day becoming in the way that you want it to become. See yourself feeling great all throughout the day, vibrating on a high frequency. As you start to carry out your tasks, you find that you now start to have low energy, right? You feel down. Your energy keeps dropping. What meditation does is to help you stay grounded. Like a tree planted by the rivers of living water, you're just full of life all the time. That is what meditation does for you. And so you're able to, in the midst of all the noise and all the crazy and all the wildness that's going on, you're still able to center yourself and stay focused on your goals. And you're able to have a calm state Because we are electromagnetic beings, here you are, you, right? Smiley face. Because we are electromagnetic beings, we have the power through meditation to charge up our electromagnetic field in a way that we are generating so much energy. We're able to power our reality in a way that is aligned with our values, aligned with our vision, aligned with our purpose. That is what meditation does for you. So what you're doing during meditation, so you decide that you want to meditate and you feel like you have to sit down, cross your legs and go, No, not necessarily. You see, the thing about meditation is it's all about your mind and what's happening in there. Yes, your posture helps. Keeping a straight spine helps, but that's not all that it is. The focus is on the mind and the thoughts that are going on in your mind. So when I first started, I became hyper aware of how I had a million thoughts running through my mind simultaneously. And these thoughts did not even make any sense. Like, they were not linear. Like, one thing didn't lead to the next thing, lead to the next thing. It was just a jumble of past, present, future. Everything just jumbled up together in a mush, in a messy bowl of thoughts. And so I had to learn to breathe through that. Like, not try to complicate and analyze, oh, why is this happening? But simply accept and release and breathe. That's all. Can you imagine so many crazy things going on and you don't engage? That is what meditation is, where you choose not to engage with the thoughts as they come. So my Indian guru explained it like this. You have the sea level, right? And the waters are going wild, right? The waves are going wild. These are your thoughts. And you are here in different moments, aware of the ups and the downs. By consciously breathing and by focusing all of your attention on your breath, your inhaling and your exhaling, you'll find that slowly those thoughts become less and less and less and less until they quieten down and all you have is presence and your breath. What is your breath? The breath is what animates the human body. The breath is the breath of life, and he breathed into man, the breath of life, and man came alive. So breath is energy. Air has a higher frequency as an element, right? You have air, water, fire, right, and earth. Air has the highest frequency out of these four. If you watch Avatar, you find that the lineage of the Avatar comes from the air tribe, because the air tribe is the most powerful. It has the highest frequency. Air is very lightweight. It moves in and out through bodies. It flows. You can't see it, you can't touch it, but you can see the effect of air. That breath is simply what you focus on. And you find that another reason why people find it difficult to meditate is because it has a lot to do with the breath, and the breath can regulate your body in order to change your state. A lot of people breathe very shallow, so the breath comes and it stays stuck in your chest. Sometimes, I remember when I was in school, they say breathe in and then your chest is meant to go, but actually, when you breathe in, it's your stomach. You're breathing into your diaphragm. So it's meant to be your stomach and your diaphragm that's being inflated. And so that's called whole body breathing, because you are filling up your whole chest cavity. This, your torso, you're filling it up with air. And then you breathe out slowly. So it's about when you breathe in and you put your hand on your stomach, you should feel your stomach inflate out and then go back in. So it's not necessarily about your chest being inflated. It's about you inflating your whole torso and taking the breath through your nose, down through your throat, down through your chest, into your diaphragm. Inhale, and then you exhale out and bring everything back up and out. And so that conscious breathing helps you to regulate your body. And the easiest way to hack your mind, i.e. the thoughts going wild in your head, is through your body. Your physiology affects your psychology. I learned that from Tony Robbins. With you consciously breathing, you're able to quieten down those thoughts. And that's simply what meditation is. It's you realizing that there's thoughts in your head that are not agreeable to your vision and to the state you desire to be. And so when you meditate, being in a meditative state doesn't necessarily mean you stop everything that you're doing and you sit down in one corner and you cross your legs and sit down there and you're no. I can be speaking to you right now and be in a meditative state. I watched an interview with Deepak Chopra and Oprah, and he was explaining to her how right now I'm in a meditative state. And Oprah laughed and was like, don't zone out on me. And he had to explain that it's not about zoning out. It's about being centered and being present in this moment. You see, when you're able to calm your mind and be centered in yourself, where you are vibrating on a higher frequency because you're so charged up, all that energy that would have otherwise gone to the crazy thoughts, because all of this, they are units of energy. The thoughts in your head is going wild and crazy. Then you're expelling energy. At the end of the day, you feel tired. You don't want to feel tired. You want to still feel energized. When you're able to calm the thoughts, calm the storm in your mind, you find that you take all that energy that would have gone out and you retain everything in. And so because you maintain your energy inside, you start to vibrate from the inside out. You start to find that you are attractive, you're magnetic because you're charged up. And what happens when your transformer or the generator on your phone is charged up? You can do so many things. That is energy. So meditation gives you energy. Meditation gives you focus. Meditation gives you calm and relaxation. You're focused because nothing is distracting you, because you are inside, grounded, focused, energized from inside out. You start to attract the right people, attract the right resources, attract the finances, attract the right ideas. And because you have maintained all the energy inside, you find that you can easily take massive action because you have created a state, a meditative state where you are calm, you are relaxed, you are focused, and you are energized. And so the simplest way, as you've been listening so far, is your breath work. Using your breath. It's not about trying to change your thoughts, because you trying to change your thoughts with thought is still you being in thought, okay? So that's not going to work. It's a struggle. Don't try to struggle with the mind. It can drive you crazy. What you want to do is simply take your awareness and keep it on the one thing, your breath. The thoughts will come. Sometimes you start to think, is it working? Am I supposed to be doing this? Oh, this is so boring. Why am I here? I need to go and get my phone. I need to go and make that phone call. I need to go and, you start to think of all the things you need to be doing. Remember, that is your untrained mind fighting you in this new state and this new reality you want to create for yourself. Be aware, and now that you are aware that that is going to happen, realize that your power comes when you remain in that position and continue to focus on your breath. So the easiest way now is to time yourself. Start with 5 minutes a day, just 5 minutes. It's just 5 minutes. 5 minutes. You can grab 5 minutes anytime. You can take a break from your desk and give 5 minutes to yourself. You deserve 5 minutes. You are worthy of 5 minutes. You deserve 5 minutes to gather your energy, energize your body, amp up your frequency, and feel good. You deserve 5 minutes every day. And now, as you realize what meditation is, the benefits of meditation, you can immediately start to see yourself being in that state, feeling energized, feeling calm. And from that state, you can naturally take better decisions. You can naturally attract the right people. You can naturally do the right thing because you are now in that state of oneness with your spirit. And you're not so distracted and so many voices trying to tell you what to do. You are moving from inside out. and it feels so good, and you want to do it over and over and over again. And as you continue your practice, you suddenly realize that you can do from 5 minutes to 10 minutes, 50 minutes, and then before you know it, your whole day becomes you being focused and you remaining in a meditative state. And as you attract all the good things and you feel so good, you just feel like doing it forever. And that is what you call mastery. And your goals start to become so easily, so magnificently, so peacefully, so naturally, effortlessly. People will say that you're lucky, but you know the work that you are doing on the inside. You know the practice you've put in. You know the hours you've put in. You know the sacrifices, the energy that you had to use to focus on your breathing and calm yourself. And so I charge you today, yes, charge, to focus on your breath as you naturally progress in your meditative practice. And as you start to see the results, please share. I would like to know what's working for you, what's not working for you, right? And as you continue to use your breath easily, you start to notice thoughts, you start to get ideas, and you start to have variations of what works for you. You feel better lying down, sitting down, standing, taking a walk around nature, listening to frequencies for the different chakras in your body, the energy centers in your body. There's so many options, listening to classical music while you meditate. There's so many options. YouTube is your friend. You can Google and YouTube as many options as you want. Please remember to leave your comments so that we can engage and we can share more the different practices that work for you, work for me, right? And you can use the Boss Money affirmations in my CEO's briefcase. You can order yours from the link in my bio. The affirmations will even help you to remain in that meditative state, to give you even more energy, to focus on your breath, to take massive action, and to live life more fully, more beautifully. And make sure you share with everybody that you know, so that you can all have your cute little community of people just in a calm meditative state doing amazing things. And I will see you in the next video.